allow me to thank you on our behalf for your continued trust and confidence, and thank you for signing this lifetime contract. This renewal. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Hi, Hart. It's a pleasure to see you, especially in an occasion like this, where, we're all brought back to where we started. I was recalling what it was like close to 16 years ago. And somehow, I find myself in the company of the very same lady, the same person. Which is remarkable considering, and I speak from the heart. Looking back, I was always marveled at why we used to do certain things. For example, nababalitaan mo na lang na si Hart ang ginagawang ganito, si Hart ang ginagawang ganon. In other words, acting in a very self-determined way. Only to find out, as time went by, points of realization, hanggang dumating na sa panahon, kauna-unahang Pilipina na kinikilala sa buong mundo sa rangalan ng fashion at sa iba pang mga bagay. It brings a great sense of pride. Hindi lamang yun, dumaan sa pagiging artista, pagiging host, influencer, na lahat halos ng brand nasa sakop, all categories, including luxury, global or international brands. I mean, how proud could a Kapuso be that you are a Kapuso? I could go on and on. You're an inspiration to all our Kapuso talents and all your fellow Kapusos. You are an example in perseverance, hard work, passion for your work, for your advocacies. You are the quintessential role model in what you do. And for that, allow me to thank you on our behalf for your continued trust and confidence, and thank you for signing this lifetime contract. This renewal. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.